Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And it's good to have a makeup, right? To lift up our spirit. And today's makeup is the new a la mode makeup. You know, there is something very strange, and to my surprise, people do fake freckle. Can you believe it? And it's just so unbelievable. You can see my white hair. People do fake white hair, gray hair, and now people do fake freckle. They must have seen my video and counted my freckle, so I become a la mode. The leading of the a la mode. So I will do a makeup, and now here's the tutorial. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, et après, clean your eyes with a Q-tip. 2 fingers hold one side, the other finger, the thumb, hold the other side, or maybe from time to time you can change your hand position. Everyone is different. It is okay. Police will not come to give you a ticket for holding this way or this way. You are safe. Nobody knows. By the way, police does not have time to watch my video. So, and one eye, the other eye, turn it around so that you do not have contamination. It's kind of waste. You need 1 or 2 Q-tips, but for the general health of ourselves, it is okay. And then you comb your hair and do some quick movement. Let it become natural. Hold in a little bit. Et c'est ça. And depending on your age and depending on your personal preference, if you are old, like me, you may want to have something to darken a little bit of your eyebrow. The reason is, when we were young, our hair color and our brow color are all very, very light. So this is, and as we grow older to our best prime age, it becomes dark. And then it starts to fade away, those colors. Hair color and eyebrow color, maybe nose color. And so this is a time you want to highlight it a little bit. Otherwise, it looks old, which we accept we are old, but still, you know. Otherwise, people will treat you like a baby, like an infant. That kind of disrespect of our intelligence, right? So nothing fancy. Use your face powder, and if you have a darker face powder, well, if you shop sometimes, you have a wrong decision that you buy something more than not the right color. This is one of the instances. You do not need to throw it away. So it's a little bit darker, and if you want it even darker, use a darker color. Simple like that. So I have done my basic layer, and I feel maybe I can do just a teeny tiny little bit darker. So I use this or use this, not the darkest, one of the darker one, this one. Do a teeny tiny little bit, because you do not put face powder, you do not put face powder, you do not put foundation, so you should not make it too strong. And the same color on your eyes a little bit. And if you want to focus a little bit on the edge of your eyes, use a thin one, so thin. And this time is the darkest you use. I use the dark one, a teeny tiny little bit. And that is it. So that is it. At the end, you finish with lip color. And this is too dark, it's matte color. So you want to even it out a little bit. And this one is a lip bow. And that is it. So the good thing of it, that you do not need to put face powder to cover up your freckle, because it's a la mode right now. It's fashionable right now, and people pays money to get their face as good as me. So why do I cover it up? So no foundation, no face powder, and your face is free breeze. You put some tonic water or a teeny tiny little bit of moisture, and same as every day you do, and everything is breathable and clean, and you do not put any chemistry, dust or anything on your face. This is it, just like this. And you will be envy of the world, because you are fashionable with this. Oh my goodness. You know what? I didn't wear glasses, so I cannot see myself. It is you who need to suffer, or not. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Okay, I didn't wear my glasses, so actually I did not see. This is actually too much. might be a little bit better. This is a little bit better, I think. Finally, I wear my glasses and I see. Oh my gosh. You have to deal with it. I have to deal with it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.